Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna review the CUSIMAX hot plate burner that I got from Amazon. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting this channel. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money and I wanted to try it out, and we'll see how it goes. So keep watching. Hello. So this is how the CUSIMAX hot plate looks when it comes out of the box. This is how it looks. So it has two knobs on the left and the right. One is the on and off button, and then the other one is the temperature control. And then this is how it looks underneath. And this is the back. It's pretty heavy. It's very heavy and steady. So this is the on and off button, and then this is the temperature control button. So that's it. Okay, so we're gonna turn this on like so. It's on. And then I'm gonna try and turn this all the way up to see how it works. All right, so we're gonna boil some water, test this out, and see how long it takes to boil. It's all the way up. This thing is good. I'm impressed. Look at that. It's boiling. CUSIMAX hot plate CMHP-B101. It will be in the description box. If you're interested, you can get it from Amazon. I got a same day delivery. I ordered in the morning and it was delivered by evening. So as you can see, the water is about to boil. Approximately, let's say, 5 minutes on high. Yeah, amazing. All right, so we're gonna test this out with breakfast and see how it goes. So stay tuned, okay? Thank you. So let's see. One is well done. So let's turn it over and over again. Pretty good. I have it on 3. gonna add some onions. Okay, so I have here 4 egg whites with tomatoes. I'm just gonna beat this all together like so. Right? Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna pour the egg white mixture in there. Ooh. Okay, it's almost done. Now you can pair this with yam, rice. You can eat it by itself with bread, anything at all. But the focus is on this machine, CUSIMAX single burner. I think it's pretty good and very strong because I'm using like 3, the level 3, and you can see the steam coming out of it. Look at this beautiful dish. Tell me you don't feel like eating this. I'm gonna serve. Look, 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 look. Okay, taste time. Mmm. Yummy. It tastes so good. You need to give this a try. So I'll put the link in the description box if you want to get it. Yeah. So subscribe, share, and like this video. This is a raw footage, please. I'm not editing this, so please don't come at me. All right. Have a happy new year. Bon appetit. Bye.